Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule 1 and 2. Never lose money and never forget Rule 1. Buffett learned this at age 11. He bought City Services stock at $38. It dropped to $1.27, but he waited and sold at $40. Patience equals profit. Rule number 2. Invest like it's a marriage. In 1973, he invested $11 million in the Washington Post. Today, our $1.5 billion. His secret: invest for life. Don't buy stocks, buy exceptional businesses. Rule number 3. The market shows no mercy. In 1969, Buffett exited the market before the crash. Why? The market punishes those who don't know what they're doing. If you don't understand something, don't invest in it. You don't need to be the smartest in the room. You don't need to trade every day. You only need 3 things: discipline, knowledge, and time. Most people lose because they act on emotion. They buy high and sell low. They follow headlines, not a strategy. But smart investors do the opposite. They buy when others are fearful. They sell when others are euphoric. Wealth is built in silence. Day by day, investment by investment. If you understand this, you're already ahead of 90%. Remember, it's not about how much you make in a day. It's about how much you keep over a decade. That's true financial freedom. For Buffett, success means being loved by those you hope will love you. Which rule will you apply first? Let me know below. Back-end index pointing down.